everyone, how you guys doing? I know it's been a long time I came on YouTube. Yes, I know life happened, but I'm here today and I just felt like sharing the making of this unit with my YouTube family. I've noticed so much growth on this channel. I just feel like it would be really bad for me to just abandon you guys. So I'm back here today and hopefully someday I'm going to explain why I've been away for a long time. If you can hear any noise in my background, please disregard it. I really can't help it. All my social media handles are going to be on the screen. Please make sure to follow me, support your girl. Also, don't forget to rate this video, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and leave comments. Tell me what you guys think about this unit. Before I leave, because I don't want to talk so much, this is actually a video of how I made this two-layered tribal feeding braids with a ponytail. Some people actually know it as the KET braids. So I'm just going to let you guys enjoy the video and of course the music. Everything here is really self-explanatory, and if there's anything you don't understand or any questions that you have, don't forget to leave me comments in the comment section and I'll definitely answer all your questions. Thank you very much. See you guys at the finished look. Bye.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic, no, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you, when you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, yeah, you take me higher, baby. Got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing.
Finally done with the unit, and I'm sure you guys know what I'm doing here. Making this video was quite stressful just because I've forgotten how to edit videos and I just felt like I had to learn everything afresh. And this is me trying to put my hair, um, get my hair flat to wear the unit. Please don't be like me. Make sure you really get your hair flat because I had a slight bump at the back, and for some reason I don't know why I felt I could slap the bump out of my head, but that's exactly what I did, which you're going to see very soon. Making this video was quite stressful just because it has several steps, and I already explained. I'm kind of new to the whole YouTube, editing and all. But I finally found my way through, and let me tell you guys, it took me 1 month to finish this video. Not 1 month to do the hair, but because I was making a video. So yeah, I would really appreciate it if you guys tell me what you guys think about this unit. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.